Welcome to Craft Time. Did you know that Thanksgiving is coming soon? So today, we will be making a super fun Thanksgiving turkey using our hands and feet. Let's have a look at what you will need. Red, yellow, orange, and brown craft paint. A paintbrush. Red, orange, and white craft paper. Googly eyes. A pair of scissors and some glue. Have some newspaper and a cloth handy to clean up any mess. So, let's get started. Step 1. Paint your hand yellow. Press it firmly onto a piece of white paper. Repeat with the red and orange paint, so that you have 3 handprints. Set aside to dry. Step 2. Paint your foot brown. And your toes yellow. Press your foot and toes down firmly onto a piece of white paper. Did you know? Thanksgiving is celebrated in the United States on the 4th Thursday in November. The first Thanksgiving feast was held in 1621. Step 3. Cut around the handprints and footprint once they are dry. Glue a googly eye to the heel side of the footprint. Cut a teardrop shape from the red paper for the turkey's wattle. Did you know? A wattle is a fleshy flap of skin under the turkey's chin. Cut a triangle from the orange paper for the turkey's beak. Now glue the wattle and beak below the eye. Step 4. Glue the handprints to the back of the turkey to make the tail feathers. And there you have a cute and fun turkey that you can use to decorate your Thanksgiving table. Thank you for watching. We hope you had fun. See you all next time. Goodbye.